Welcome to the last chapter of our program development course. Let's get going. In this chapter, we'll tackle how to go about building a financial plan for the program. The output is typically what potential funders or investors would want to see when approached. So we'll go through it step by step to ensure every detail is explainable and that you are able to rebuild it for yourself for whatever program you want to embark on. Rumor has it that the market for cosmetics, particularly hair products, has opened in South Africa for new local players to lend distribution with a large health and beauty retail entity. A quick recap. Right, so remember that operational requirements list we built up in chapter 4? Well, now we need to cost it, item by item. Basically, put everything that is required on the list, as long as you can explain the underlying need and can present some kind of research or information as to how you arrived at the units required as well as the cost. The end goal here is to eventually build a cost model for the program that can be modified for different scales of the program. So if it makes sense to start with a pilot perhaps, then you can use the cost model to scale down the program appropriately for the pilot, and then scale up to paint a picture of what it would take to scale it back up once the pilot is deemed successful enough to proceed with the bigger program. We've included some notes here to provide further clarity regarding the budget structure. Basically, everything that is pertinent to explain how the funds are going to be employed to implement the program. Right, now we start building our budget model, starting with the capital expenditure. Then we move on to the operational expenditure, detailing all of the operational expenses as well as how these expenses are projected to evolve over a 5-year period. The objective here is to eventually get a sense of that magic figure that will be needed to start the program, as well as what their financial obligation is projected to be going forward. Note here that we've only captured the costs. We have not included any income that could potentially be derived from the operations of the small ventures once they've been set up, because at this point it hasn't been decided what profit contribution the ventures would make to the program. That's for the ventures management team to decide. Some overall principles that will inform the eventual policies of the program can be mapped out as well as a blueprint. And we've come to the end of our course. Hopefully we've given you enough of a map to go out there and be an impactful change maker. Thanks for watching. Cheers for now.